Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up a multi-choice autoresponder. The multi-choice autoresponder allows users to request multiple information on the same keyword. When the user texts a keyword to the texting number, they'll receive multiple choices and will be asked to reply with one of the options. Each option response can be customized as per your requirement. This campaign can be used by event organizers to offer activities, locations, schedules, and emergency information, all available via text message without using multiple keywords. Optionally, this can also be used as a polling tool. Each option provides a unique response to the users. Now, let's get started. Log on to the dashboard using your credentials. Click on Campaigns. Then click on the plus button to add a new campaign. Select Multiple Choice Auto. Select the short code or texting number from the drop-down. Enter a campaign name. This is for internal reference only. Next, enter the keyword. This must be unique with no spaces or special characters. Enter the first response with options. This is the auto response that the users will receive once they text the keyword to the short code or texting number. Enter the response option and the option title. Now, enter the response message you want to send to the user with each option. You can include MMS, mobile coupons, short URLs, and images in your messages. Click Save to save the option. You can add as many options as you'd like. Select the start and end dates and times for your campaign. All other fields are optional. Click Save to save your campaign. Your campaign has been successfully created. Now let's test it. When the user sends the keyword to the short code or texting number, they receive the auto response. Now they can select options. And the responses they receive will be according to the option they selected. Thanks for watching.